Gemini now has the ability to generate a wide range of different file types for you. It can create PDF reports, organize and build tabs and sheets from your CSV files, generate full dashboards, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Markdown files, and more, all directly from your conversation, ready to download or share. And most users still don't realize it can do all of this. So in this video, I'll show you how to use it to create a number of different files that you can use for work, research, or business. A polished PDF report, a Google Sheets tracker with an interactive dashboard, a multi-tab executive sheet, a collaborative Google Doc, and a clean Markdown file ready to hand off to your team. So let's get started. So let's start by seeing how Gemini can transform a raw data set into a structured PDF report. So let's upload our data set. So here I've got a data set focused on content creator business performance across multiple platforms, including revenue, audience growth, engagement, watch time, geographic markets, and monetization trends. And now what I'm going to do is ask Gemini to turn all of this into a polished executive style report. So I'm going to enter this prompt: create a professional business report using the above data, formatted in a clean PDF report style with a clear title, structured sections, headings, and well-organized paragraphs, include data insights, key findings, and recommendations where appropriate. And you'll see, Gemini has taken all of that research and turned it into a fully structured business report automatically in literally a few seconds. I can instantly download the PDF file, and as you can see, we've got a proper executive style structure, clear sections, headings, tables, charts, highlighted insights, and consistent formatting across the whole document. So this is no longer just raw research data. It's now a polished report that looks professionally designed and business ready. So now let's create another type of file from the exact same research. This time, instead of a PDF report, we're going to generate a live Google Sheets tracker with an interactive dashboard. So I'm going to enter this prompt: build a Google Sheets performance tracking system based on this report with monthly revenue tracking, engagement KPIs, forecasting models, growth trends, and automated visual reporting. And now Gemini generates a complete Google Sheets file directly from the conversation. So let's open it up. So you'll see this is not just raw data dropped into a spreadsheet. We've got organized sections, automated calculations, and forecasting models already built in. Now let's take this one step further, because Gemini can also generate a dashboard directly from this sheet. So back in the chat, I'll enter this prompt: create an interactive canvas dashboard from the performance tracking system above. Show monthly revenue trends, top performing platforms, audience growth by region, and forecast versus actual. Make each section clickable so I can drill into the underlying data. So I'm going to select create canvas, and it starts working on generating the dashboard. So let's look at the output. Gemini generates a full interactive dashboard directly from the spreadsheet. We've got cards across the top, monthly revenue tracking, forecast versus actual comparisons, platform performance breakdowns, genre analysis, and visual trend tracking across the entire dashboard. We have the important charts, and the sections are organized well. Now, another really useful thing you can do is that we're going to create a full multi-tab executive Google Sheet. So I'm going to stay in the same chat, and now I'll enter this prompt: transform this report into a multi-tab Google Sheets executive dashboard with executive summary, revenue analytics, platform comparison, audience growth, geographic performance, genre insights, monthly trends, and strategic recommendations. And now Gemini starts asking us a few questions before building the file, things like who the primary audience is, what type of reporting style we want, and what should be prioritized in the dashboard. So I'm going to answer those. At this stage, Gemini actually gives us the full plan of what it's about to build, including the tabs and the structure and the charts and the type of analysis it's going to include. And once we approve that, it starts generating the full executive sheet automatically. Here's the final output. It has created all the tabs we requested with the required information already organized for us. We've got the executive summary, revenue analytics with the charts and breakdowns, platform comparisons, audience growth tracking, monthly trends, and the strategic recommendations section as well. And what I really like here is that everything is already structured and presentation ready. So instead of manually building all these tabs yourself, Gemini is generating the entire reporting workbook for you automatically from one conversation. Okay, and now for the next document, we're going to create a collaborative Google Doc designed more for leadership reading and discussion. So let's start a new chat. We will link this to our notebook LM and then select our strategic analysis notebook. And now I'll enter enter this prompt. Create a strategic narrative report as a Google Doc, audience is a CEO and leadership team, structure a 1-paragraph executive summary, then the current situation, then 3 priorities ranked by impact, then recommended actions with timelines, make it readable in under 5 minutes. And now Gemini generates the Google Doc, so let's open it up. And straight away you can see it's created a strategic briefing document. We've got the executive summary at the top, a clear breakdown of the current situation, strategic opportunities, priority areas, an implementation roadmap with timelines, and a final leadership style conclusion at the end. Now here's another really useful feature. Depending on your plan, you'll see the Gemini bar directly inside the document itself. So this means you can continue editing and refining the document. For example, I can ask Gemini to add a matrix in section 2 to show the current situation and risks, and you'll see it starts to generate it, and I have the option to approve or reject. And once I approve, it updates the section directly inside the document. So basically, you're generating fully editable collaborative working documents. Now let's generate one last type of file. This time we're going to create a markdown instruction file that we can hand off directly to another AI tool like Claude. So here we're going to create a markdown file that summarizes the actions, the workflows, outputs, and learnings from this entire thread, so we can reuse it inside another AI model or project later. So I'm going to enter this prompt. Create a markdown instruction file based on the analysis above. The file should show the process for creating strategic goals, key findings, recommended actions, workflow steps, and implementation priorities. And now Gemini generates the markdown file directly from the conversation. So let's open it up, and immediately you can see how structured everything is. We've got the project overview, the key workflows we created, the different file outputs, important insights from the analysis, step-by-step implementation notes. And this is really useful because instead of starting from scratch in another AI tool, you can simply upload this markdown file and continue the project with all the context already structured properly. So for example, I could now upload this directly into Claude projects, and Claude would immediately understand the workflows, the goals, the outputs, and the actions from this entire conversation. So in this video, we looked at how powerful Gemini has become for generating real working documents directly from one conversation. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.